Hello guys, it's Protas, and today I'm going to show you how to design a bottle using Fusion 360. As you can see, this one is a model of the same bottle I'm going to design. So for example, for us to design this one, we'll also apply different materials and also different functions and different features. So let's go right ahead by creating a new design, and then we come to sketch, we select this plane, then after select this plane we draw a circle. Let's put the circle to be 70, and then we can extrude to around 150 millimeters, then okay. Then let's offset this plane. We come to construct, then offset. We select this plane to offset, then let's offset it to about I think 50 is okay. We click OK. So basically I'm doing this to show you the use of certain features such as offset of plane, and also how to use the loft feature. That feature I'm going to show you later. So we create this the bottleneck here. For example, you can put it to around let's put it at 35. Yes, 35 is okay. Let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, maybe we can put it to 25. Let's see how it will. But 25, let's put it to 30. I think that is okay. Then we come to solid. Then we select loft. Then for this loft, you're allowed to select two planes, this one and this one. And as you can see, now we have that profile, and we click OK. The next thing also is to create another another feature here, like a cylindrical feature which is 20 meters high. Then we click and then the next step is now to create threads. Come to create, then we select thread, then we select this face. We can make some changes here. It's okay. The size, let's put the size to 28. There is okay. Then we can also turn it to 30. Still okay. Then we click OK. Then the next step is now to fillet. It's called filleting. So we select this face and also this face. We can put it to 15 millimeters. Then we click OK. And so we have to make this bottle hollow. Come here to shell, then you select this plane, then you can put 2. I think 2 is okay for now, and then we click OK. So we have a water bottle here. It really looks nice. So we can apply materials. To apply material, come to body, then we click on the body, and then you select physical material. Then since we can make it glass, let's try different material. Glass, so we can use a brass. Let's see how brass is looking like. Maybe we can try gray, or even frosted, even mirror. So it's just up to you to select whatever works best for you. Let me try this clear glass. So here we have a very beautiful water bottle. But also we can also you can also change the appearance. Like this one, you can select the appearance. As you can see there, we have the history of the material that we are choosing, and we can choose different faces. Let's try paint, glossy paint. Let's try to put this part to be blue, I think, or green. You can put this green, that face. So you can see the difference between face and the body. But if you select body and we put this one, it selects the whole body, select this one, select the whole body. But if you click face, it only select the body that you want. Thank you.